Very good morning, friends, traders. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. It is my constant effort to make trading very easy and simple. Today, I'm going to teach you or bring something which is very, very useful and very effective strategy for you people. Friends, we all know how traditional pivots work. They give us reference levels, but they are fixed for the day. The market, however, is dynamic, and fixed levels often fail to capture that intraday movement. That is where the rolling hourly pivots come in. They move with the market, acting like a live balance line that adjusts every hour. Now, when we combine this with the dynamic edge with the Gann Hi-Lo indicator, which filters the trend direction, we get something truly powerful. It is not just about static levels anymore. This method evolves with price action, helping us identify breakouts much earlier and with more conviction. For option buyers, this is a step ahead of traditional pivots, giving clarity, timing, and the confidence to enter without hesitation. This is why I call it a real breakthrough strategy for option buying. It is a real breakthrough option strategy, buying strategy for you people. Traditional pivots are fixed and static, but markets are dynamic. Rolling hourly pivots evolve with every move, and when combined with Gann Hi-Lo, they give option buyers the edge to catch breakouts early with confidence. This is a step ahead of traditional pivots, a true breakthrough for option buying. So even it can be used for uh, option buying for holding the position. You heard it right. You can hold the position options without any hesitation for 1 or 2 days. For that, some condition should match. I'm going to explain you what are all the conditions. So I have enabled the traditional pivot, standard pivot point standard. I have enabled. Here the condition is I will go to the hourly pivot. When the underlying is above the pivot, price is above the pivot, and price is above the R1, hourly R1. So we are considering long position in the market. We are considering long position in the market. For that, we are selecting at this level. On September 8th, the index made an high, crossing the pivot and crossing the hourly R1, indicating that it is going to be a long in the market. Then we are selecting the 24,840 or 24,900 call option. Let me show it to you. I'll change this one to 24,900 call option. 900 call option. For the underlying, when it is above the pivot and the above R1, the same day it should be at the pivot. Price has crossed the pivot and finally it was closed near the pivot. The price is, so what you are going to do is you are marking the 100 level. This level has to be 132 or closing level is What is the closing level? That is 126. Let me coordinate, go to the coordinate, adjust the price, 126. Okay, let me lock it. Lock it. Let me remove all these indicators, all these lines. Okay. Then the question arises, even with this, you are not confident enough to take the trade. Yes. That's why I have created an indicator which is with the combination of same funda of the pivots, that is dynamic, which is dynamic, and I need also trend filter also. I've used another indicator, Gann Hi-Lo indicator for that, and I've combined and I've made an indicator. This is, I'm enabling this. This is rolling pivot. When you enable this pivot, still I am on the hourly chart. Let me zoom it here. See, these are the red colored lines are support, and yellow is pivot, and R1 is there. And this one is price is above the Gann Hi-Lo. So, okay, our condition is met, and let me go to the lower time frame with the clarity. Okay, 5 minutes. Let me go to the 5 minutes. We have taken position over here, where here we are holding this. We are not bothered because the condition is met. You understood the condition. Condition again, let me report to you. Underlying has to cross the pivot, hourly pivot, and hourly R1. When such conditions are met, correspondingly, relating call option we are going to see, and the related call option was 24,900. It should have been closed on the same day. It should have been closed above the pivot or near the pivot. You can see that condition was met. Depending upon this condition, I have taken the position. You can hold the position. This is your stop loss, and you can hold the position. So let us see how it has performed. See, the next day, it was on 10th. You have taken the position here. It was a gap up, and price moved up to 231. What you can do is you can hold this position, and intraday you can enter and you can book this position here. And again it came down. When we are seeing for the buying option, so we are disabling the R1, and we are enabling only pivot. This yellow line is the hourly pivot, and this red one is the hourly support, rolling support, dynamic support. So dynamic support here, when around on that day, on 10th, it is 10th, up to what? 11 a.m. the market trended. You can clearly see the price started moving below the hourly pivot, and Gann Hi-Lo changed its color. That means it is giving a sell signal. This light blue was a buy signal. It changed intraday. It changed this signal. But you are not getting confused. Actually, trend is intact. Trend is intact because we have purchased this. As long as this, even though time decay is there, in the option premium, you can hold this call option without any hassle, without any doubt. You can hold this call option. You can save your brokerage paying also. You can save that. And intraday, it showed weakness. It started coming down. Now see, it started coming down. Suppose were moving higher. But you can see the hourly pivot from the previous day still intact. The next day, on 11th, the price went through, but still the direction is high. People get confused, people get doubtful whether the underlying is going to go down or anything. I'm just showing you on the option chart. So price did not, any time it did not come to this low at all. This is 158. See, it gapped up and it is maintaining that level 151, and it was passed on to the next day. On 12th, that is on Friday, you can see this price opened gap up for an intraday also. It is a very good indicator. The Gann Hi-Lo is still below. I am on the 5-minute chart. You can see there. The market reacted to the gap up on Friday. You know that, gapped up. And this option from 192 gapped up to 231, and then it started coming down. Still, this rolling pivot, this yellow line, this is the rolling pivot, and rolling supports are intact. You can, by keeping this as guidance, see, you cannot enter properly. Sometimes we do mistake by seeing the green candle, red candle, we enter into it. For example, we have entered here around 203. But the price started coming down. It came down to not 2.35. Then you will not get panic, because Gann Hi-Lo is supporting the trend. It is blue. It has not changed. And the dynamic pivots are running, hugging this price, indicating that we are there. We are like a support. You are not going to fall down until unless you fall below this line. They are saying this, right? So this is your stop loss. Even if you do mistake, even if you see the losses on your trading account, you will not get panic. You will not get panic. You have kept your stop loss comfortably. You have kept your stop loss, and the Gann Hi-Lo is showing you the trend. See, trend continued. The same call option went up to 262. Positionally, you can hold this position, not in the futures, not in the options. You can positionally hold this, and you can hold the from 125 you to 172. Final target, you can close it. Whenever you want, you can close it. Whenever you want, you can close it, and you can take the position keeping the stop loss in your mind, and you will be knowing that trend is intact. You know, no hassles, nothing. You are not going to see any open interest, change in open interest, nothing. These are the basic thing which gives comfort for an option buyer, even though theta is not, theta decay is in play, but the price has moved and it has not come back. You are positioning yourself into the market. On 10th, you are carrying it for 3 days. You can hold this for 3 days, because the condition for 3 days market has run like this. This is the advantage of the rolling pivots as well as the pivot point standard. And I've combined this with the dynamic edge with the Gann Hi-Lo for the trend filter. What more you want? This is an ultimate strategy which can give comfort, profits. You will not panic. So friends, let me go to the underlying. Let me go to the underlying. Where is that? Nifty. Nifty is here. And if you want to, this indicator, actually, where is the indicator? I had posted that. Let me go to the hourly. This is the WhatsApp number 837506210. If you want the indicator, it is not free. Actually, you need to pay. It is not highly priced or anything. You need to pay a nominal amount and you can message if you are interested to this WhatsApp number. Then it will be provided for you people. This indicator will be provided for you people because I felt a nominal price should be charged for this, for the strategy which I have found out, and for the thing what I've put effort into that. So if you are interested, you can WhatsApp to this number 837506210. Once you message to this WhatsApp number, the price will be intimated to you. You can pay and you can get the indicator for you people. So friends, this is an ultimate strategy which will make you profitable. One-time payment for this indicator, you will be making money in this. Once you make money, you can WhatsApp and message me and you can say thanks to me also. Thank you very much, friends. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.